Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court has just handed down a major ruling on controversial proposed changes to the country's constitution, changes that critics say could help extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's time in power. The case was brought by Liberation War veterans who are trying to block the amendments, but the court now dismissed that challenge. Privilege Mushaniri explains what happens next.
So, here is what the court said. There is no constitutional violation, at least not yet, because the proposed changes haven't actually been passed into law. But this ruling doesn't end the debate, not even close. Parliament still has to vote on the bill, and that's where things could get even more heated. So why is this bill causing so much controversy? Well, it proposes extending election cycles from 5 years to 7 and also replacing the direct election of the president with a parliamentary system. Critics say that could fundamentally reshape Zimbabwe's political system. Some believe it could even open the door for President Mnangagwa to stay in power longer than current limits allow. Supporters, however, argue that the reforms are both legal and necessary.
My clients, in both regards, they respect the judgment of the court. They are going to be studying in detail what has come out, but they are undeterred. Both applications I have indicated will still be in the courts. One by the war veterans going to the High Court, word for word, unchanged, and then the second one waiting immediately after the vote has been taken by the National Assembly.
Meanwhile, President Mnangagwa is facing growing criticism from opponents who say he isn't doing enough to stop the process, especially since he could personally benefit from it.
As war veterans, we are saying we are disappointed. We didn't expect this judgment, the outcome of this case, the way they've said it. We thought maybe they would talk about going to the referendum or something like that.
So now all eyes are on Parliament. Will lawmakers pass the bill? And if they do, what will Zimbabwe's democracy look like afterwards?